This was such a fun experience. The instructions were easy to follow to get to the venue, whilst the activity was just as easy and enjoyable. I got to stay and talk to the chef. He was so welcoming and interested in who I was. Definitely worth it. The venue is easy to locate. The instructors are friendly. This workshop was really enjoyable. Highly recommend. It was a very fun activity for the family. Everything was already prepared. The hardest part: rice, seaweed, sashimi, wasabi, weighing scale, cling film and other props. We made makis and tamaris, 60 minutes, and ate them up afterwards for lunch. Very good location too. The guide was very friendly. We had so much fun. Location is very accessible and the hosts were super friendly. All materials are provided for. Instructions were simple and easy to follow. It was fun being able to show our creative side by designing our own plates. Smile, recommending this if you want something different, quick, and fun during your trip. A fantastic experience. Our instructors were knowledgeable and very friendly. They made the class very fun, helping us and making jokes. They also offered us recommendations to help us make sushi at home. Smile. Really enjoyed this. Staff were amazing. Course was fun and super informative. Food was delicious. Great group activity. Loads of fun. It was a great sushi making experience. Lots of fun with a bit of trivia and wonderful people. Thank you very much, team, also for providing a vegetarian option for myself. Quite a fun class. The teacher was engaging and there was a lot of attention to help you make the best sushi. Our tutor was so energetic and really showed us a great time. Easy to find the restaurant, food was delish and the sake option was worth the money to add on. Great way to start a day in Tokyo or break up the afternoon. Great experience, easy to understand and do with quality ingredients. We went on a Monday at 10 a.m. and it was just our family and one other group. Our 7 and 4-year-olds had the best time. The instructors made it incredibly fun for everyone. They even cooked the fish for the kids at the end and my girls absolutely loved it. They were also very kind and patient with my kids, so thank you. Highly recommend this class to anyone visiting Tokyo. Our family of 4 really enjoyed this experience. Our children don't like raw fish, which we noted during the booking process, and as a result the chef cooked some toppings just for them. Great family activity, highly recommended. Interesting lesson. Easy to learn even for novice. Thank you for providing such warm hospitality. Highly recommend this experience. Instructor was very friendly and knowledgeable. They even teach you facts about sushi before we started making it. The sushi meat was fresh and there were many options. Tao was our young sushi making teacher. It was lots of fun, especially for my 10-year-old. If you are a real cook in the kitchen it might be a bit basic, but from a cool thing to do, that's affordable and memorable, it's definitely a great hour or two. Plus you get to eat your creations. I'm impressed they ran the course when it was just my daughter and I, and we really appreciated being able to ask Tao any questions and even had a bit of a Japanese lesson. Tao's English is very good.